Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along. We have some questions under modulus. We have 76 mod 5, simplify this, 340 modulo 7, 298 modulo 3, and 427 modulo 4. All right, what do we mean by modulus? Now, modulus is what we call simply cyclic addition. It's a situation in which certain numbers wrap around when they get to a certain point. For example, if I'm dividing an integer by 5, the highest remainder I can get will range from 0 to 4. If I divide any number by 5, the biggest remainder is either I get a remainder of 0, remainder of 1, remainder of 2, remainder of 3, or remainder of 4. I cannot get a remainder of 5 because I'm using 5 to divide. So these remainders are under this. I can say this remainder are what we call the residue in modulo 5. The residue in modulo 5. So straight up, let's look at this question. Let's reduce this, simplify this. The first one, we have 76 mod 5 modulo 5. So how do we do that? Break this one down. Since you are in modulo 5, let's divide. 76 can be written as 5 times, now use 5 to divide this. 5 in 7, how many will you see? 1, remainder 1. 5 in 16 is 3. 5 in 16 remainder 2 rather. 5 in 25, that's what 5 plus 1. So this is 15 times 5 plus 1. So we can say that 76 mod 5 is equivalent, we use this, as 5 times 15 plus 1. Now this is the remainder, we take it. So 76 mod 5 modulo 5 is equals to 1 mod 5. So that is our answer. Let's look at the second one. 340, we are in modulo 7, and the set of residue for modulo 7 will range from 0 to 6. So this is 340 mod 7. Now, how do we simplify it? Remember, in mod 7, our residue, set of residues, will range from 0 to 6. Now let's go. Let's split 340. 340 is the same thing as, when we divide it by 7, that's 48. Remainder what? 4. So we can say this is 48 times 7 plus 4. Now, after having done that, this remainder, we take it. So 340 modulo 7 is equivalent to 4 mod 7 for short. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Let me do this 298 modulo 3 and 427 modulo 4. Remember, for modulo 3, the set of residues will be 0, 1, and 2. For modulo 4, the set of residues will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. So do this. Let me know the answers in the comment section. If you enjoyed the explanation, why not give us a like? Share the video, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. Till meet again in the next class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.